Namaskar and a very good morning. Welcome to the audio cast from Kotak Securities. I'm your host and guide, Anindya Banerjee. As global cues are looking definitely negative. Asian stock markets are lower following the downtick or the down close in the US stock markets overnight, or the dollar index is trading at almost an 11-month high. So, एक तरफ stronger dollar, दूसरी तरफ risk off. Additionally, if you look at the US bond yields, that's still holding up. It's not falling yet. It's trading at the highest level since 2007. And fourth factor, कल एक हल्का सा rebound देखने को मिला है oil prices में 93 के आसपास है Brent. Keep an eye because oil at this point in time will become super critical क्योंकि global backdrop is looking very negative. ये situation में if oil starts to climb and get past 100, that's going to be a big negative for the markets. So oil becomes super critical. क्योंकि generally ये देखा गया है कि when US yields rise, dollar index rise, तो oil में एक negative fallout होता है. But that stopped happening last year because of the supply constraints and the whole war in Ukraine. तो इस साल भी if we see a similar move which we are seeing, अगर ये एक्सेंचुएट होता है मतलब ये इंक्रीज करता है और ऑयल 100 के ऊपर चला जाता है विद स्ट्रॉन्गर डॉलर इंडेक्स एंड हायर यूएस यील्ड्स एंड इट कैन हैव अ बिग नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट ऑन द ग्लोबल इक्विटी मार्केट्स, emerging market flows and subsequently on the Indian rupee क्योंकि India is a major importer of oil and other energy products, so keep that one thing in mind. अभी फिलहाल प्राइस एक्शन पे आते हैं USDINR का, and that's well known, well documented since mid August. ये 8270 और 8330 के बीच ऑसिलेट कर रहा है largely spot में. In fact, now that range has narrowed, it's around 8280, 8290 on the down and 8330 on the up. There is no surprise क्योंकि it's getting stuck at 8330 क्योंकि it looks like a heavy intervention from the central bank RBI. Or this kind of intervention is happening across the board in Asia and emerging markets, जहाँ पे central banks are intervening to calm their currencies down. Now, this will work till it doesn't, क्योंकि the RBI's intervention is very effective when it tries to curb volatility, but it doesn't like to keep a particular level intact for a very long period of time. They have been doing that 8330 के आसपास, but I don't think they'll continue to do if the global situation continues to move in favor of the dollar. जैसे last year भी RBI switched from trying to defend the all-time highs around February-March to trying to curb the overall volatility, where they were very successful because the global situation deteriorated. So that's something to keep in mind. Global situation continues to deteriorate, 8330 will go and this will move higher. और अगर हम लोग एक relative performance भी देखें जो मैंने कल शेयर किया था on the group, is that ये साल Indian rupee is an outperformer क्योंकि अगर top 26 currencies को लें and compare them against the dollar, a median fall or an average fall let's say has happened around 5% plus, जहाँ पे Indian rupee is almost flat, maybe 0.5%, 0.6% higher. So there is considerable outperformance. So even if the rupee were to depreciate in the near term against the dollar because of global cues, it will still be just doing a mild catch up to its peers. So we have to keep that in mind. इसके लिए people who are shorting straddles, triangles or any kind of a short volatility, short gamma trades need to be careful here because it's like a spring which has been coiled too much. और जो वो रिलीज होगा इट विल बी प्रीटी फास्ट, सो यू कैन कंटिन्यू टू डू दैट बट हैव सम hedges. That's very important because these are and maybe you can switch from an unhedged strategy like a short straddle or a short strangle to a iron fly or iron condor. So that's something to keep in mind. And trading is concerned, जो मैंने कल बताया कि either you wait for a pullback towards 83 levels or 82, 90 levels on the spot to go long because then your stop is defined below 8280, or else you wait for a breakout, clear breakout about 8330, 32. अगर आपको ब्रेकआउट के लिए एक एंटिसिपेटिंग ट्रेड करना है, या एंटिसिपेट करके इफ यू वांट टू गो लॉन्ग, देन आई वुड सजेस्ट यूज आउट ऑफ मनी कॉल ऑप्शंस either weekly expiry or monthly expiry. That is a much better trade than trying to buy futures at any point till it breaks out, because it can pull back and trigger your stops. So either you, for an anticipatory trade, you do a OTM call buy. For a futures trade, wait for a pullback towards 83 or below to go long with a stop below 80 to 80. अगर कोई short कर रहा है, maintain your stop above 83, 32, 33 ऐसे on the spot levels. So that, and on the crosses, the trend remains downward because stronger dollar index and a stable rupee means Euro-INR, GBP-INR and JPY-INR will be under selling pressure. So that's it, folks. This is Anindya Banerjee signing off. A fantastic day ahead.